how to use landscape mode on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily use your iPhone on landscape mode. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to swipe down from the top right and you will see the lock option, which is the orientation option. So if it is red in color, that means the portrait orientation is locked. Now, for landscape orientation, you'll have to tap on it, and now you can see that portrait orientation has been turned off. Now you can go to any app that support landscape mode and then just rotate your phone, and then there you can see it automatically goes into landscape mode. You can do it with any app that supports the landscape mode, and you can easily use your phone in this mode. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.